Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are staying safe in your home. Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are learning our second chapter, integral calculus, page number 30. So in our last class, I gave homeworks for you. I hope you all of you completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the time of interaction section. So students, I hope you all of you learn the formulas related to type 1 also. So our first type is integration by decomposition, that only we are learning now. So in this first exercise, only 2 more problems are left. Up to 6th problem we have completed. Now we will start from problem number 7. Question is, if f dash of x is equal to x plus b, f of 1 equal to 5 and f of 2 equal to 13, then find f of x. Okay, so here f dash of x is given, we need to find f of x. So already I am teaching the introduction for the second chapter. I have taught you. Have you remember? I taught you when we are differentiating. That is, if it is f of x, when we are differentiating, you will get f dash of x. Am I right? The reverse process of differentiation is integration. So f of x to f dash of x means we will differentiate. Okay, so if f dash of x to f of x we need to get means we need to integrate. That's the only difference. So f of x to f dash of x means we will differentiate, f dash of x to f of x means we will integrate. So for this problem what we need to do? We need to integrate. So given f dash of x is equal to x plus b. So from this, if we need f of x, what will we do? We will integrate. Integration of x plus b into dx. Understand? Understand all of you? So what we need to do? If we need to find the f of x is given, we need to find f dash of x means we will differentiate. Last year you have learned. So f dash of x is given, we need to find f of x means we need to integrate. Now integrate, separate it. X dx plus b dx. That's equal to integration of x means x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus bx. Dx for the integration is x. Is it right? Plus 1 constant c. So therefore f of x is equal to x square by 2 plus bx plus c. Keep it as equation number 1. In the given question, they have given the value for f of 1 and f of 2. So here we need to find the b and c value. Then only we can find f of x. So for that, it is given in your question f of 1 equal to 5. So if the f of 1 value is equal to 5. So we are going to substitute in equation number 1. F of 1 equal to, in the place of x as 1, that is 1 square by 2 plus bx. So b into 1 plus c. F of 1, the value is 5. 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c. Take the LCM here, that is 2 is the LCM. So 1 plus 2b plus 2c. Okay, cross it. 10 equal to 1 plus 2b plus 2c. Bring this to here. So 2b plus 2c is equal to 10 minus 1, that is 9. Keep it as equation number 2. Understand? So what you need to do? F of 1 equal to 5 I have substituted. Same as that, one more value was given in the question. F of 2 equal to 30. So we are going to substitute that also in equation number 1. Now given f of 2 equal to 30. Substitute that in equation number 1. So f of 2 equal to x square by 2. So 2 square by 2 plus bx. So 2 into b plus c. F of 2, the value is 13. 13 is equal to 4 by 2 plus 2b plus c. So you can cancel here. So what's the equation? Bring this to here. So 2b plus c equal to 13 minus 2, that is 11, that's 3. So now we are going to solve equation number 2 and 3 to get the value of b and c. Okay, now solve equation number 2 and 3. What is equation number 2 here? Check it. So equation number 2 is 2b plus 2c equal to 9. So 2b plus 2c equal to 9. Same as that here. 2b plus c equal to 11. Solve by changing the symbol, you know already. So this will get cancelled. 2c minus c means c equal to minus 2. So you got the value for c as minus 2. Now substitute c equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. Shall we substitute? So 3 is, which implies 2b plus c, that is minus 2 equal to 11. So 2b is equal to 11 plus 2. So 2b is equal to 13. So b equal to 13 by 2. Now you got the value for b and c. Now if you substitute the value in equation number 1, you will get that. Substitute this in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? I am writing equation number 1 again. F of x equal to x square by 2 plus bx plus c. Now substitute the value here. X square by 2 plus 13 by 2 into x minus 2. Is it right? So you can keep this as like this. Otherwise you can take the LCM and you can solve this. So according to your book answer, we can correct, we can simplify. I think it's enough. So no need to simplify. In your book answer also this is answer. Okay. So this is enough. No need to take the LCM and all. If you are taking the LCM, 2 will come here. So you won't get again. So this is enough. So f of x is equal to, very easiest question. But only thing, f of x to f dash of x means differentiate. F dash of x to f of x means we need to integrate. Okay. First you integrate and find out f of x. Afterwards find out b and c value and substitute in the given equation. You will get the answer. Got it? Let's move to the next question. Next question is f dash of x is equal to, one thing is given, f of 2 is given, we need to find the f of x. You can do better. Just I'll start. That is if f dash of x is equal to 8x cube minus 2x and f of 2 equal to 8, then find f of x. Solution. Okay. F dash of x is given, f of 2 is given, we need to find f of x. So what will you do, ma? So already I said same procedure only. F dash of x to f of x means we will integrate. That is f dash of x is equal to 8x cube minus 2x. So if we need f of x, we will integrate f dash of x dx. So that's equal to integration of 8x cube minus 2x dx. Now separate it. That's equal to 8x cube dx minus 2x dx. So that is 8 is a constant, x cube dx minus 2 into x dx. So that's equal to 8 into integrated x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 2 into x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. That's equal to 8x power 4 by 4 minus 2x square by 2 plus c. So this 2 will get cancelled, this also. So what's the balance? F of x is equal to 2x power 4 minus x square plus c. So here only one constant is right. C is a constant. So we need to find only c value. So for that given f of 2 equal to 8 it's given. So you can substitute here. Take it as equation number 1. 1 implies f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 power 4 minus 2 square plus c. F of 2, the value is 8. 2 into 2 power 4 means 16 minus 4 plus c. That is 8 is equal to 32 minus 4 plus c. So 8 is equal to 28 plus c. 8 equal to 28 plus c. So 8 minus 28 equal to c. So c equal to minus 20. Now you can substitute in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? See that equation number 1. Equation number 1 is f of x is equal to 2x power 4. Is it right? 2x power 4 minus x square plus c. So that is minus 20. So this is a required answer. Understand? No? Understand? That's all. So now exercise 2.1 is over. Now we are going to move to exercise 2.2. That also the same integration by decomposition. But we are going to learn another 2 formulas. So each and every exercise we will learn 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 formulas. Please learn the formulas regularly. Then only this chapter is easy for you. Otherwise you will feel very difficult. Okay. So please learn the formula. Let's move to type 2. Type 2. First I am giving the formula for type 2. First one is integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. Second formula is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into log of modulus of ax plus b plus c. So these are the 2 formulas here we learned. So already first exercise formulas also we will use here again. So please learn the formulas regularly. Okay. So here what's the first formula? Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log of mod x plus c. Second formula is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into log of mod of ax plus b plus c. Okay. Let's move to the problem. Example 2.9. Evaluate integration of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x dx. Solution. How we need to do this? We need to integrate this. Is it right? So integration of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x dx is equal to integration of, we are going to split each and every term. That is 3x square by x plus 2x by x plus 1 by x dx. Okay. So x and x will get cancelled. Here it will go. What's the balance? Integration of 3x plus 2 plus 1 by x dx. Now you can split it as different integrals. That's equal to integration of 3x dx plus integration of 2 dx plus integration of 1 by x dx. That's equal to 3 is a constant. So x dx plus 2 integration of dx plus integration of 1 by x dx. I am writing here. That's equal to 3 into what's the integration of x? X power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. X power n formula. So x square by 2 plus 2 into dx for x. Now only you have learned for 1 by x. 1 by x means log of mod x. So log of mod x plus c. So this is our required answer. Understand students? So already last exercise, similar to last exercise, here only 1 by x is there. So because of that log of modulus of x. Got it? Okay. Next question. Example 2.10. Evaluate integration of 2 by 3x plus 5 dx. Solution. Integration of 2 by 3x plus 5 dx. So you can take 2 constant as outside. 1 by 3x plus 5 dx. Now we have learned in type 2 formulas. The second formula is 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a into log of modulus of ax plus b plus c. We are going to use this formula here. Usage 2 into, use ma? 2 is a constant, so it will be outside. 1 by a, so 1 by 3 into log of modulus of 3x plus 5 plus c. So you can multiply 2 with inside, that is 2 by 3 log of modulus of 3x plus 5 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, got it? Yes. Example 2.11. Evaluate integration of x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 dx. So this one how will you do means we are going to split this simple integrals. That is how will you split means listen solution integration of x square plus 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 dx. Is it right? We can't do it this one directly. We can split into simple integrals. You can split as simple integrals. How will you split as simple integrals means in numerator x square plus 2x I am going to split that 3 as 2 plus 1. Shall I split like that? Divided by x plus 1. Okay. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 separately plus 2 I am keeping here x plus 1. Okay. Now what will you do means now I am going to factorize this. If I factorize this, what's the value you will get? Just you factorize and see multiplying means 1 here 2. So 1 and 1. Is it right? So x plus 1 into x plus 1 is divided by plus 2 divided by x plus 1 you will get is. So divide each and every term x plus 1 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 1. So x plus 1 cancel, you will get the remaining. Then you will factorize. How will you factorize? Sorry, now you can integrate. Now you can integrate it x plus 1 factor plus 2 divided by x plus 1 dx. So you can now you can integrate easily. How will you integrate means you can separate it and integrate x dx plus 1 dx plus 2 into integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx. Okay. So that's equal to x square by 2. This one for dx means this integration is x plus 2 is there. Is it right? So what is 1 by x is same as 1 by x plus 1. Okay. So log x. Is it right? Log of modulus of x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Again I am repeating this small question. So what you need to do, I need first exercise itself I said to you same as the denominator you need to change. Is it right? For that I have split as 2. Then I have made this one here factorized, separated and I have cancelled. Then I have integrated. Okay students? Okay. I hope you got the good idea. Okay. Then now we will move to the next question. Listen. Example 2.12. Evaluate x cube plus 5x square minus 9 divided by x plus 2 dx. Okay. We are going to divide this by using a simple division. So how we will divide means here it is x cube. Is it right? So if it is x cube means we can't divide like this. So in lower class you have learned like this. Have you remember? X cube plus 5x square minus 9 x plus 2. You are going to divide this. So what will happen? We will divide. So x with how much I gave means I will get x cube x square. Is it right? So I will get is x cube plus 2x square. Then I have changed the symbol. So I get 3x square minus 9. Then how much I gave means I will get 3x square 3x. So 3x square. So here there is no x term. So for that you need to put 0x minus 9. Okay. So here what will you get? Plus 6x. Is it right? 6x. Then what will happen? Here we will change the symbol minus. So minus 6x minus 9. So next how much you will get if you give for minus 6? So minus 6x plus, sorry, minus 12. If you change the symbol plus, it one as plus. So you will get 3. Is it right? So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to x square plus 3x minus 6. What's the remainder? 3 is a remainder. Okay. By simple division we got this answer. By simple division. Okay, how will you write this mixed fraction when you are writing? How will you write? X square plus 3x minus 6 plus 3 divided by our divider. So x plus 2. Okay. So now you can factorize C. Sorry. Now you can integrate easily. So if you integrate, what will happen? Integration of x square plus 3x minus 6 plus 3 by x plus 2 dx. Now shall I need to separate it? X square dx plus 3 into x dx minus 6 into dx plus 3 is constant 1 by x plus 2 dx. Find out. So x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus 6x plus 3 into log of modulus of x plus 2 plus c. So only one difference. We have divided and we have changed as a improper fraction. We will write this right. So if we multiply this 2 and if we add this, we will get the answer. Okay. So like that you have changed and we have it. Got it? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Example 2.13. Evaluate integration of 7x minus 1 x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Now we will use partial fraction here. Last year you have learned partial fraction, so we are going to use the partial fraction. How will you do like this? 7x by 1 x square minus 5x plus 6. So this one separately by partial fraction. Do by using partial fraction, that's equal to a by factorize this denominator 6 here minus 5. So minus 3 minus 2. So x minus 3 plus b by x minus 2 is. Now find out this a and b value. So last year you have learned. So 7x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3. I am not going to explain it deeply. Last year you learned. Put x equal to 2. If you substitute here, 7 into 2 minus 1 is equal to a will become 0 plus b into 2 minus 3. So 13, is it right? 13 is equal to minus b. So b is equal to minus 13. Now we need to find a value. For that I need to substitute as 3. So put x equal to 3. So 7 into 3 minus 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 2 plus b into 3 minus 3. So 20 equal to a. Now you are going to substitute there. So substitute there. So integration of 7x minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to a value 20 by x minus 3 plus, sorry, it is minus. So minus 13 by x minus 2. Okay. So now we can integrate this easily. How will you integrate? 20 you can take common outside. So integration of 1 by x minus 3 dx minus 13 is common. 1 by x, sorry, constant x minus 2 dx. So what's the integration? 20 log of modulus of x minus 3 minus 13 log of modulus of x minus 2 plus c. This is the answer. So only partial fraction. If you are feeling very difficult this partial fraction, please take down your last year book, turn to the second chapter, first exercise. So already when I am teaching the introduction class, I have said this partial fraction we will use here. So because of that, learn that thoroughly, and after that go through this. Up to here last year you have learned this only. Now we have substituted in the formula. So example 2.13 over. I think it's so tomorrow in our next class we will start from the next example 2.14. So before that, today I am going to give some homework for you. Please take down the homework. I hope you all of you have the PDF files with you. I hope you all of you have that. Please take down there in exercise 2.2 problem number 2, 4, 5 is your homework. Okay, 2, 4, 5. So your homework is exercise 2.2 2, 4, 5 homework. So how will you do this second problem? We need to divide. So one problem I have divided now, so that same as. So this one also you need to divide, same as that. So this one same as example 2.13, this partial fraction, that method. Will you do? Okay, so please complete that. If you can't able to do, I will help you. Okay, students, be safe in your home. Please learn, be healthy and be energetic. Pray to God every day. We will meet on our next